Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at a legend, the 2025 Porsche Panamera. This sleek machine blends luxury and performance in a way that few cars can, making it a dream ride for many. So, buckle up, and let's see what this new Panamera has to offer. Design. The Panamera has always had a head-turning presence, and 2025 doesn't disappoint. The sloping roofline gives it a sporty silhouette, while the wide stance and muscular lines hint at the power beneath the hood. But it's not all about aggression. The smooth curves and integrated elements create a sense of elegance too. Interior. Step inside, and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit that screams luxury. Porsche uses only the finest materials, with soft leather, tasteful accents, and a panoramic sunroof that creates a truly airy feel. The seats are incredibly comfortable, offering exceptional support for those spirited drives. But don't worry, there's plenty of space in the back for passengers to stretch out in style as well. Technology. Now, onto the brains of the operation. The Panamera boasts a state-of-the-art infotainment system with a massive touchscreen that's easy to navigate. You get all the bells and whistles you expect, from Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to a premium sound system that will have you feeling like you're at a concert. The digital instrument cluster keeps you informed on all the vital stats, and the heads-up display ensures you never take your eyes off the road. Performance. But let's talk about what truly sets the Panamera apart: its performance. Here's where things get exciting. Porsche offers several engine options, from a powerful V6 to a monstrous V8, all paired with a smooth shifting 8-speed automatic transmission. Regardless of your choice, you're guaranteed a thrilling ride. The Panamera handles like a dream, hugging corners with precision and offering incredible acceleration that will leave you grinning from ear to ear. Unique selling points. So, what makes the Panamera stand out? First, it's the perfect blend of practicality and performance. You get a spacious and luxurious interior for everyday driving, but with the push of a button, it transforms into a beast on the open road. Second, Porsche offers a hybrid option for those who want to be more eco-conscious without sacrificing power. The Panamera e-Hybrid combines a potent electric motor with a gasoline engine, offering impressive fuel efficiency and exhilarating performance. The 2025 Porsche Panamera is a phenomenal car that truly lives up to the Porsche legacy. It's a statement piece, a technological marvel, and a driving experience unlike any other. If you're looking for a car that offers the perfect blend of luxury, performance, and practicality, then the Panamera deserves a serious look. Thanks for joining me on this ride. What are your thoughts on the new Panamera? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe for more car reviews and discussions. And if you're considering a Panamera, be sure to check out Porsche's website to learn more about all the available options. Until next time, happy driving!